Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll get a high-level overview of LeadCenter.AI, the first AI-powered, fully automated, and integrated CRM for financial advisors. LeadCenter covers the entire life cycle of your client relationship journey, including marketing, sales, operations, and advanced reporting and analytics. For example, under marketing, the marketing dashboard lets you manage campaigns, events, and email marketing. You can schedule emails to contacts, manage text marketing campaigns, and set up text-in keywords, which is especially helpful for radio and TV campaigns. You can manage form submissions, create communication templates for appointments, emails, notes, and tasks, track marketing goals and expenses, and even use the built-in website and form builder. In the sales dashboard, LeadCenter empowers you to manage full calendars with public scheduling links. View and update your sales pipeline, trigger automated workflows, and manage all client communication, whether that's phone, email, text, or form submissions. LeadCenter also supports the operations side of your business by helping you track financial accounts, monitor production and commission, and automate the financial questionnaire clients complete before onboarding. LeadCenter also gives you access to advanced reporting and analytics, so you can measure performance across marketing, sales, and operations, all from one centralized platform. Traditionally, advisors needed to purchase over 10 separate tools to do what LeadCenter offers in a single platform, including CRM, calendar and public scheduling, production tracking, integrated phone system for calls, lead capture, event and seminar management, email and text marketing, automated workflows, plus a website and landing page builder. LeadCenter delivers full automation for financial advisors, helping improve the client experience, increase conversion rates, and reduce operational costs. LeadCenter also includes built-in automations, like automated client review reminders, automated confirmation emails, and reminders for appointments and automated event reminders. LeadCenter can also automate capturing contacts from forms, emails, phone calls, and events. LeadCenter automation also supports automatically publishing events to your website and triggering workflows when a contact is created or updated. This was a high-level overview of LeadCenter. To dive deeper, check out the other videos or visit the Help section for step-by-step setup instructions. Thank you for watching.